This is the third video in the Sipsmith Orange and Cacao trilogy. I've done a quick gin review video, I've done a quick tonic water, how to drink it. In this video, I've got three very simple cocktail serves for you. So that's coming up right after this. Hey, Steve the Barman here, and this channel is predominantly all about helping you to drink, enjoy and serve better quality drinks. Primarily focusing on gin and tonic and gin cocktails. But if you like the sound of that, if you like what I'm doing, then I'd really appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button. Right, let's crack on with the cocktails. I'm not going to get too technical, too involved. These are for you guys at home, you guys behind your bars. You want to know how to serve this. These are three very, very simple, very easy cocktail recipes for you. So I'm going to quickly go on. The first one that I was playing about with it. Do you know what? I love a Negroni. This has made the best Negroni that I've tasted in a long, long while. Negronis are very, very simple. Equal measures. So we're going 25ml of gin. We're going 25ml of Campari. And then the final ingredient is our vermouth. If you've seen any of my videos before, you know this is the vermouth I prefer. It's Lustal. It's kind of a sherry based vermouth. It's a little bit sweeter than your kind of martini rossos and that kind of thing. A little bit, not creamier, but a little bit more viscous. Lovely texture to it. Really, really lovely. So we're going 25ml in there as well. So quick recap. 25ml gin, 25ml Campari, 25ml there. We're just going to load this up with some ice. You never ever shake a Negroni. Bar spoon, just stir. Right, so I've just been stirring down for about a minute or so. That's absolutely, even just off the spoon. Just a simple garnish with a bit of orange peel. And that is your Negroni. Very, very simple. That's number one. Right, let's get rid of those. Cocktail number two. This I actually found on, I was looking for it on Sipsmith's website. This is a flip on a traditional sidecar. So I'm just going to quickly chill the glass down. So this is going to get made in a cocktail shaker. This is very easy to do. This is 35ml. If you want to be precise, this is my Mezclar Precisio Measure. Again, links in the show notes where you can get this. This is 5ml increments in your measures. Absolutely perfect whether you want 5, 10, 15ml. So gin is going in there. I've just got some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I just want 25ml going in. The next ingredient is our brandy or cognac. This is my preferred. This is Martell's VSOP. Absolutely lovely. 15 ml. And then the last ingredient is sugar. I've just bought in some. You can make it yourself. Equal amounts of granulated sugar to water, sort of boiled, heat, dissolved down. In this, I'm just going half a shot, 12.5ml. There we go. So quick recap, 35ml of gin, 25ml of fresh lemon juice, 15ml of cognac, and then 12.5ml of sugar. I'm just going to shake this down now very quickly. Okay, so that's shaken down. Just going to double strain this. Hawthorn strainer, tea strainer. Just going to double strain this. That'll just catch any little tiny shards of ice. It's a nice little one. You don't want a big martini glass for this. Nice little one. And then I'm just going to garnish with a lemon peel. Just spray that over the top, pop that in, and that's the Sidecar. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now the third cocktail out of the three, this is a bit more fun, a bit more fruitier. Haven't really got a name for it. Kind of a tropical orange Collins, something like that. I am terrible at naming cocktails, but this is something that I played about with, found. I was going to go for orange juice. I didn't have any orange juice, so this is what we've got coming up. Again, going to make this in the shaker. I'm going 35ml of gin. I'm going 15ml of lemon juice. I'm going 10ml of sugar syrup. And then I'm going 50 ml of Rubicon passion fruit. I've always got this because of my porn star martinis. I can never be without a case of that. So I'm going 50ml. So I'm just going to ice that down, give it a very quick shake. So that's all shaken up. Just pour that out of there. The glass I'm going to use is a Highball, 16-ounce Highball. Plenty of ice in there. I'm just going to strain that. Pop that to one side. And then to top it up, I've played about with this. Actually works really well. If you do a champagne flute without the ice, you could use Prosecco. That's really lovely. But it's a really long, kind of interesting serve. This is Fentimann's Valencian Orange Tonic Water. And this just makes a cracking top to that. I'm just going to garnish that. A couple of, these are red oranges, not blood oranges, these are red oranges. And there we go. And that is my tropical orange Collins. How do you like that? There we go. So I hope you enjoyed those 3 cocktails. I'm going to get and drink those now. That's been Sipsmith. Go and check out the other 2 videos in this series, and I'll be back with you really soon for another gin review video. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you don't want to miss any of my future videos, then I'd appreciate you hitting that magical subscribe button and subscribing to this channel. And if you want to follow me on a daily basis, then you can find me every day over on Instagram at Steve the Barman. I'd love to hear from you, so make sure you send me a DM to let me know you found me over on YouTube. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.